Welcome back. This is Johnny Claus here at A18 Vapors, and today we're going to talk about a new salt mix system from Smok, whatever. It's called the Mico Kit. Let's talk about this a little bit here. Inside the box comes one of these, nice little handy dandy lanyard. Has a nice little squeeze button here that you can actually tighten it, loosen it, put it around your wrist, put it around your neck. You could just, use it as a tie. Okay, but for real. Also inside the box is this nice little manual, full color, here like this, and it is very clear and very easy to read, like so. Alright, also comes this nice little warranty card information, and just fill that out, and yeah, you want to send that in. Also comes this extra long charger cable. I mean, look at how long this thing is. If you wanted to vape while charging, this is the one that you want. Okay, in all seriousness, now I'm just going to plug this back into my Apple Watch charger here real quick. And with the kit comes two pods, one that is a mesh and one that just says regular, and you'll see it nicely etched in the silver portion right there. The fill port is right there, and I'll show you how to fill these in a little bit. This one is the mesh coil, like so. Alright, onto the device. This is the Miko, and let's see what it looks like with a pod in it. Like that. It is tiny. I mean tiny. Trying to find something so you can compare this to. Let's see here. Here we go. This is a Keurig cup for your Keurig. This is pretty small in size. I mean, really compact. Here's a better look at it. This is the blue version, and you'll see on the bottom is a micro USB charge port. It has a nice shiny like chrome finish, like not chrome, but anyway, it's made of a zinc alloy material. This is what it looks like on the lanyard. I actually like the lanyard because I loop it around my belt loop, put it in my pocket, and it doesn't fall in the black hole, which is the space between your driver's seat and your center console, where all your salt nic devices disappear to, including your cell phone. But yeah, as for the pod is pretty cool because it has this little edge right here that hangs over just a little bit. When you see how you can see the edge right there, it makes it easy to grab onto and pull it out. But I have the mesh coil right here. Let's take a vape on it real quick, and you can see how it performs here. Let me take another one here because this is a very, very, very easy draw. It's very, very, very easy. But the vapor that comes out of it is quite impressive for such a small device. This is a 700 milliamp hour device. Let's take another rip here. If you're looking for something compact, small, and you don't want to carry a dual battery mod with a big tank on it, this guy right here performs pretty well. The flavor is actually really good too. I am going to show you how to fill the pods now. This is the pod here, and this is actually the regular one. And we're going to put a little juice in here. And what are we vaping on today? Banana cream pie by Glass. Glass makes a whole bunch of flavors. Banana cream pie, blue magic, fizzy lemonade, grape drink. There's just a whole bunch. If you haven't tried them, give it a shot because this is fantastic. This is 30 Nick Glass banana cream pie, and here's the pod here. And let me see here if I can get it better. To fill it, you just pull this little rubber gasket here, and you can see the hole right there. And you just put this in here, and these pods are clear, which is fantastic because you can actually see it fill up like this. I always suggest when filling these pods that you let them saturate for 5 minutes so the wick material is completely saturated and you don't get a dry hit. And getting a dry hit is like smoking the wrong end of a cigarette. It is not fun. And we're going to put this in the black Miko. Just drop this in here like so. Snap it in. There is a little switch on the side right here. Let's see here. And you just push down, turn it off, and push it up, and it's on. Let's give this thing a rip. This is the regular non-mesh coil. Let's see how it performs here. The flavor in this pod and the other pod, the mesh pod, is really good. On a scale 1 to 10, I'd probably give this 7.5, 8 for flavor. The draw on this is so easy. It is so easy to draw. It's almost effortless. Some of the self-actuated or pull-actuated sonic devices or pod systems like this, you have to really pull in them. If I was to compare this to like the Smok Mico Kit, I think the Mico Kit is very restrictive. This is very, very easy. I wouldn't call it very airy, but I'll just call it like very effortless. If I could describe the draw on this, it would be like if you took a straw and you were pulling through a straw and just squeeze the end about halfway. That's how effortless this is. I mean, it's easy. The Miko is a 700 milliamp hour battery, and I'm going to show you that you can vape while charging. Probably suggest getting a little bit longer cable. This is my portable Apple Watch charger here. I'm going to plug this into the USB port in the bottom, like so, like that, and I'm going to turn it on. You can see the little LED light on my Apple Watch charger right there is on, so it is charging. You can see the green light. When it's green, it's 70% and higher. When it's yellow, it's 30 to 70%, and when it's red, it's 30% and less. So it does offer vape while charging. So I love the size of this thing. It is tiny, compact. I mean, it is really small. Let's see here. Look at how small this thing is. It's in the palm of your hand. You could just, you know. Smok has really outdone themselves this time with colors. This is the black and white marble looking one. This is the green coral looking one here. And there is a nice little window here that you can see your juice level. Has a nice shiny finish, which could be a fingerprint magnet, but you know, that's a subjective thing. It's not a big deal to me. The switch on the side right here is very, very, I would say clicky, because it's not really a button, but it's like definitely, you can make sure it's an easy snap, and it's stiff enough that you can't just accidentally hit it, and you know, you actually have to give it a little effort. Some of the other colors are blue, gold, red. Unfortunately, Smok hasn't made any solid colors yet, but that's subjective as well. I like the colors. As for small pause systems, I like the colors mainly because if you drop one in the at night or in the dark, or you know, while you're driving or stuff, it's very hard to find with a little color, you know, like that. But and then there's a green one like this. Anyway, all these products that I review are purchased by me for the purpose of this review, and if you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell for future videos, and I'm Johnny Clouds, keeping it cloudy at A1A Vapors, and have a fantastic weekend, everyone. Keep on vaping.